Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome all of you the GB Trade Key channel. I hope you are all well. Today topic is going to be very interesting. Before start the video, please subscribe our channel and hit bell icon. Let's start the video. Friends, a huge cross is found in the highland of Kavardu village, Skardu district, Baltistan region, Pakistan. A three-member expedition team from the University of Baltistan, Skardu discovered a surprise cultural heritage, a huge cross-shaped rock consciously carved on marble. The researcher and expedition team under the leadership of Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Muhammad Naeem Khan along with Academic Dr. Zakir Hussain Zakir and Dr. External Linkages Dr. Ishtiyaq Hussain Makhpoon visited the mountain site to study the strange ancient cross in company of some local villagers and mountain guides. A huge cross of marble rock weighing more than 3 to 4 tons has been found some 2 kilometers from the basic camp high in the mountains of Kavardu village, Baltistan, overlooking Indus River. The university researchers team speculate that the cross is perhaps 900 to 1000 years ago, which marks the decline of Buddhism. The researcher claimed that it might be discovery of the missing link between the decline of Buddhism and emergence of Islam in the historic region of Himalayan and Karakoram valleys. The first ever discovery of the Holy Cross in Baltistan marks the association of this land with Christian beliefs. Throughout centuries, the cross has acted as a pagan religious symbol of classification of Jesus Christian thought, European and Western Asia. While the village is 1500 years ago, the researcher featured presumed that the rocks in also from the Middle Ages. Its carving in like that of the Buddhist tradition, which explained that the people designing them might be converts. A significant feature of this rock that makes it a matter of attention is that the cross shape is not of equal side like that of a normal plus rather than the lower side in longer, which confirmed that intends to depict the Christian cross. The director academy, Mr. Zakir Hussain Zakir, is of an opinion that this discovery of the cross indicates the presence of European or Roman history in these valleys. Moreover, Mr. Wajid Bhatti, in his research on St. Thomas, confirms the presence of Christian crosses in Balochistan and northern areas of Pakistan. He claims that Nestorian settlements have also been found in this area where early Christian of Parthian dynasty used to worship this cross. He featured called the Kavardu cross as a typical Thomanian cross of India and is astonished by the size of it. Vice Chancellor, University of Baltistan, Dr. Muhammad Naeem Khan, while naming it a Kavardu cross, said that the university will research out the European and North American universities and also develop academic links with local historians to find out the exact date of cross carving from a rock boulder and scientifically describe the detail of this rock. While the team is still on the search of more solid evidence to provide this hypothesis, we cannot ignore the fact that Skardu has always been a land of unfolding miracle, and this discovery marks the beginning of another twist in the books of the history on this land. But some other people said this research is totally fake and there is not such evidence in history of Baltistan. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit bell icon.